Hi, I'm Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic, your San Jose chiropractor. What I'm going to be talking about today is what adjustments, chiropractic adjustments, actually do for your body. The way that it works is when you feel like it's sort of like a twinge or a little bit of a spot in your back or your knee, even other joints in your body, neck, where you're just like, I just feel like there's just like this pain that just won't go away. I've been foam rolling it, I've been doing the stretches, and it's just not going away. The reason for that is sometimes joints aren't always moving properly. And the way that our nervous system works is there's two important types of nerve cells that are important in this conversation. One of the nerve cells senses motion. The other type of nerve cell senses pain. And when there's not a lot of motion in a joint, what happens is that will be indicated to the brain, and the pain nerve cell will kick in and say, well, now there's pain in that area. Because the joint isn't functioning properly, because the motion cell told the joint that, and told the brain this, the pain cell says, okay, well, we have to do something about it. We got to tell the brain that there is pain in the spot. So when we come in as a chiropractor, what I do and what other chiropractors do is we find those joints that are moving well, and we assist motion into the joint using our hands or an instrument. When we do that, you sometimes get the cracks, the pops, the clicks. That's just gas leaving joints. The other benefit of getting an adjustment is gas takes up space. It is a type of matter. So when you remove gas from a joint, because it was occupying space, there's now more space for the joint to move. After that as well, when the gas leaves the joint, there's now a void there, so fluid goes into that space where the gas was, and that fluid is synovial fluid, which nourishes the joint and helps keep the joint healthy. So another really big benefit of getting adjusted is that it will prevent degenerative joint disease or osteoarthritis. If you have any degeneration in joints, getting adjusted will not cure it, but it will prevent it from getting worse. So if you have a bad knee, if you have a bad back, best thing to be doing is getting adjusted by a chiropractor. Should you be going 2 to 3 times a week for the rest of your life, even once a week for the rest of your life? No, but you should be going somewhere around 1 to 3 times, 1 to 3 times every, I would say maybe once every month to 3 months at the most. You don't necessarily need anything more than that unless you have something going on like sciatica or some sort of symptom that you want addressed. If you're ever in pain, get adjusted, feel much better afterwards. That's it for me. I'm Dr. Will Holdsworth, your San Jose chiropractor from Pain Relief Chiropractic. Hopefully you have a good day.